Welcome grade 3. Today we are in the 24th class of math. We're still in unit 2 fractions. Today our objective will be students will be able to practice more to find fractions of different numbers. Let's start with the worksheet. Okay, question number 1. Answer these. A. 5/8 plus what give you 1? Okay, to make it easier for you, that you know that if the numerator the same as the denominator, it means it is 1. So instead of putting 1, we can put 8/8. So now look to your question. Is it easier now? 8 is the denominator here and 8 also in the answer. So of course the missing number should has 8 in the denominator. So now the question is easier. 5 plus what give you 8? 3. So 5/8 plus 3/8 give you 8/8 or 1. But instead of 1 we put 8/8 to make it easier for us. Okay, let's go to number B. 2/6 plus what give you 1? Okay, to make it easier for ourselves, we know that 6/6 makes 1. Okay, so if we put 6/6 instead of 1, we can see that we have a common denominator. So the missing denominator here will be 6. Okay, so 2 plus what makes 6? 4. So 2/6 or 2/6 plus 4/6 equal 6/6 or 1. Okay, in question number C, 1/4 or quarter plus what give you 1? Okay, I don't have to change this one by 4/4. خلاص, you understand that 4/4 instead of 1. So what will be the missing denominator here? It will be 4. Okay, 1 plus what will give us here 4 to make it 4/4 or 1. Okay, 1 plus 3. So quarter plus 3 quarters give us 1 or 4/4. Okay, let's go to number D. 3/5 plus what give you 1? You know that 1 means 5/5. So what will be the missing denominator? 5. Okay, 3 plus what will make 5 or 5/5? 3 plus 2. So 3/5 plus 2/5 makes 1 or 5/5. Let's go to question number 2. Look at this rectangle pattern. Okay, our shape here is made of 14 equal parts. Some parts are shaded, some parts have spots, some parts are stripped, some parts are blank. So in question A, what fraction is shaded? So we know that the total equal parts are 14, so we should put it down in the denominator. Okay, and he's asking about the shaded. So how many parts out of the 14 are shaded? 3 out of 14. B, what fraction is blank? We understand that the denominator is the total equal parts. That's 14. And the blank, how many parts out of the 14 are blanks? 3 out of 14. Let's go to number C. What fraction is spotted? 4 out of 14. What fraction is stripped? Okay, 4 out of 14. So now, have we finished our shape? Yes, we finished the fraction for the shaded. We finished the fraction for the spotted. We finished the fraction for the stripped. We finished the fraction for the blank. So, in question number E, he wants us to add all the fractions together. So we will add the shaded fraction to the blank fraction and also plus the spotted fraction and the stripped fraction. So together they should give us what? 1. Okay. So and 1 means what? 14/14, because 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 4, 14. So the answer should be 14 over 14, and you know that if the numerator the same as the denominator, it is 1. Let's go to question number 3. Answer these. A. 1/5 or 1 over 5 of 40. Do we have really to draw 40 apples and start to divide them into 5 equal parts? We have another easy question, another easy way to solve this question. Instead of drawing and start to cut by lines into equal parts, and we will ask ourselves how many equal parts. They should be 5 because the denominator has 5. We have easier way. If you divide 40 by 5, it will give you the 1/5. So 40 divided by 5 equals 8, because 8 multiply 5 give you 40. So 1/5 of 40 is 8. Let's go to number B. 1/8 of 40. 1 out of 8 of 40. Are you going to draw and cut the 40 into 8 equal parts? No, there is another easier way. If you divide 40 by 8, it will give you the answer. So let's divide 40 divided by 8 equals 5, because 5 multiply 8 give us 40. So the answer of 1/8 of 40 is 5. Now, 1/6 of 36. Okay, so we will divide 36 by the denominator 6. So 36 divided by 6 equals 6. So the answer is 6. So 1/6 of 36 is 6. Okay, the quarter of 28. So 28 will be divided by 4. So 28 divided by 4 equals 7, because 7 multiply 4 give us 28. So quarter of 8 is 7. Let's go to number E. 1/10 of 90. So now I need to do what? Divide 90 by 10. So 90 divided by 10 equals 9, because 9 multiply 10 give you 90. So the 1/10 of 90 is 9. Okay, 1/8 or 1 over 8 of 88. Okay, I have to divide my 88 into 8 equal parts. So I will divide 88 divided by 8 equals how many in one part? 11. So 1 out of 8 makes 11. 1 out of 8 of the 88 is 11. 1/8 of 88 is 11. So now we can solve the fraction of a number in an easy way. You just divide the total by the denominator, because the denominator is the equal parts that we want to divide our total to. So if you divide the total by the denominator, you will get the answer of the fraction. I hope that the questions and the answers are easy for you today, because you are going to have a homework worksheet. I need you to solve it and send it to me. Thank you for watching. Hope that you are going to have a nice and relaxing weekend.